In the ever-evolving landscape of Instagram, acronyms like SFS have carved out a niche, propelling users to new heights of engagement and visibility. SFS, standing for Shout Out for Shoutout, is a collaborative strategy where users promote each other's content to their respective audiences. This simple yet effective tactic hinges on the power of community, creating a ripple effect that extends reach and fosters connections. By participating in SFS, users can tap into new follower bases, enhancing their online presence without the need for paid promotions. It's a mutual exchange of trust and endorsement, where influencers and everyday users alike can benefit from each other's networks. The beauty of SFS lies in its simplicity and accessibility, allowing anyone to participate and grow. As Instagram continues to be a platform driven by visuals and engagement, SFS stands out as a testament to the power of collaboration in the digital age.